Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix unable to add card on Apple Pay. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, if you want to add the card on Apple Pay and it's not working and you're getting the error like, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to launch the settings. I want to make sure that you're properly connected with internet, and also make sure that your card is also supported through the Apple Pay. Okay guys, just simply have to take the permission from card issuer and then try to add the card. Okay guys, if you have already taken the permission and still it's not working, just simply have to tap on general, and from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to software update and just simply have to update your device to the latest iOS version and then restart your device. And after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem is there guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to open the wallet again. Now let me tell you that you can find the plus icon here. When you tap on that guys, you can find here guys debit card option. Tap on that, you can find here continue option. When you tap on that guys, you can find the card scanner. You can also find enter card details manually. Guys, if you're entering card details manually, just simply have to recheck the credentials like name or card number, and you can also use the camera to add the card. So just simply have to scan the card. Okay guys, if you are scanning the card and it's not working for you guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to close this page. Now also make sure that you have not added many cards here. Okay guys, if you have added many cards, just simply have to remove one of the card and then try to add it again. If it's not working for you guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to open the settings again, tap on general, and now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down and just simply have to go to transfer, tap on, and from here guys, just simply have to reset the all setting. When you reset the all settings guys, after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.